Good evening. I'm Yuri, host with CBN Financial, bringing you the latest market update you need to make informed investment decisions. U.S. stocks are finishing the day on a high note. The S&P 500 ETF SPY is trading at $651.55, reflecting continued strength in equities. Apple shares APL slipped slightly to $226.50, down $7.85. Impacted by underwhelming investor response to its new iPhone launch. Alphabet Google is holding steady at $239.56, showing minimal movement amid cautious sentiment. Markets are being buoyed by calmer-than-expected inflation data. A softer-than-anticipated decline in the Producer Price Index (PPI) reinforced expectations that the Federal Reserve may cut rates. Soon, the S&P 500 and Nasdaq both closed at record highs, while the Dow slipped modestly. In individual stock movers, Oracle ORCL was the standout. Shares surged more than 30%, powered by a bullish cloud revenue forecast driven by AI demand. This upside lifted broader tech, with chipmakers like NVIDIA, AMD, and Broadcom, as well as data center-related suppliers, also registering gains. On the flip side, Synopsys SNPS tumbled sharply after missing earnings and lowering its sales projections, dragging down peer cadence as well. GameStop GME jumped double digits following better-than-expected earnings, and a revelation that it holds over $500 million in Bitcoin, along with plans for special dividend warrants. Also capturing attention, Klarna, the Swedish fintech, made a splashy debut on the NYSE, jumping approximately 30%, valuing the company near $19.7 billion. On the macro front, Barclays raised its 2025 year-end S&P 500 target from 6,050 to 6,450, citing stronger earnings, AI optimism, and a resilient U.S. economy, and forecasted EPS growth into 2026. Meanwhile, geopolitical developments, a federal judge blocking President Trump from removing Fed Governor Lisa Cook are adding another layer of central bank independence dynamics to investor sentiment. And, to summarize, what's driving markets higher? Softer inflation, AI tailwinds, and upbeat guidance from major players like Oracle. Risks to watch, earnings misses and downgrades e.g. Synopsys, upcoming inflation data, and policy-related uncertainty. Investor action points, monitor rate cut signals and inflation trends. Consider position